Sanjeev Taparia, Senior VP Marketing of NBC. Mr. N. Sri Kumar, Executive Director, Indian Oil Corporation, who are also the sponsors for this evening. Business Standard is the flagship brand of our company and has been expanding its presence in the smaller towns of the country. The Hindi edition, which is now 3 years old, caters to the Hindi heartland. However, Business Standard Motoring is the only magazine brand that we own, and I'm very happy to say that the brand is doing very, very well. What helps that it is being run by a real passionate lot, and I know that quite a few of you in the audience know each one of them personally. Then we have the magazine website, which is called the bsmotoring.com. It's a very vibrant website. I would suggest that any of you who have not visited the site, please do so when you get the time. This year too, the awards will be announced before this August gathering and will be featured in the April issue of the magazine. So to celebrate tonight the achievements and achievers of the past year, let me extend once again a very, very warm welcome to all of you, and I do hope you have an enjoyable evening. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, Akila. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you, of course, know Srinivas Krishnan, the editor of Business Standard Motoring. And if you don't, well, you really need to get out more often. He is now also a certified radio celebrity. And if you tune in to the auto segment on his show on Sunday mornings, you will also know that he likes to talk a lot.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so much for taking your time out to come here. I'm not comfortable in a suit and a tie, and I prefer wearing a t-shirt and jeans. But anyway, this is possibly the last awards of the season. It may be the last, but it's not the least. That's because we have only 11 categories to give away. 11 categories of awards. Which means that to win an award, a Business Standard Motoring Award, you have to be the best of the best. The jury involves the motoring team as well as an external jury, so that our awards are pure, it's untainted, it's really the last word, I would say. Thank you again a lot of to all of you for being here, and I'm not talking anymore. Pablo, please. Thank you.
The first category that we have is the Business Standard Motoring Premium Bike of the Year 2012. Now, in the space of just 1 year, this segment has seen some amazing developments. Who would have thought, for example, that for between rupees 5 and 7 lakh, you would be able to buy yourself a genuine performance motorcycle? The prayers of many bikers in this country seem to have been answered. So can we have the nominees, AV, please? Now like to invite on stage Mr. Rohit Sabu, President and CEO NBC, to announce the winner and also to give away the award. Now, NBC is the fastest growing bearing brand in India, with a market share of nearly 25%, and it's also the only Indian bearing company to have got the coveted Deming Prize in 2010. So, Mr. Sabu, if you will, please.
And the winner is Kawasaki Ninja 650R.
The Ninja 650R, ladies and gentlemen. The next category for this evening is the Business Standard Motoring Import Bike of the Year 2012.
The winner for this category is BMW S1000 RR.
Director, Marketing and Sales, Navneet Motors, for BMW Motor R. The next award is the Business Standard Motoring Motorsport Excellence Award for the year 2012. Could I now request Mr. N. Srikumar, Executive Director, Corporate Communication and Branding, IOCL, to come up and announce the winner, please?
The award for this category goes to JP Sports International.
So the award is being collected by our very own Kyle Pereira, who one day aspires to be a motorsport person himself. Thanks, Kyle. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award for this evening is the Business Standard Motoring Automotive Pioneer of the Year 2012.
And the winner is Audi A8.
The Audi A8, ladies and gentlemen. The next award for this evening is the Business Standard Motoring Performance Car of the Year 2012.
Can I make a guess? Lamborghini Aventador.
A Lamborghini it is. Yeah, Lamborghini. Shetty, if you'd like to say something. Congratulations once again. The evening is really warming up now. And the next category is the Business Standard Motoring Premium Car of the Year 2012.
A6.
The Audi A6. This brings us to our next award, which is the Business Standard Motoring Premium SUV of the Year.
And the winner is Range Rover Evoque.
The Range LSMR, you all know Dell.
हम सब कुछ आपके लिए ऐसे थोड़ी बदल देंगे।
बदलाव हम ही से शुरू होगा।
बस चैटऑन पे वोट करते हैं यार।
अगर हम दुनिया चलाते, स्मार्ट चलाते, फास्ट चलाते, अपनी उंगलियों पे चलाते,
रेजोल्यूशन पास
और एक साथ चलाते,
नए सैमसंग चैम डीलक्स के स्मार्ट ऐप्स और चैटऑन मैसेंजर के साथ दुनिया बनाओ स्मार्ट।
Hands up! What the hell are you doing? It's not him. Let's go.
On है तो डॉन है. On. Keep it on.
ये है उभरता हुआ भारत. इसकी गारंटी कौन लेता है? आसमान को छूती इमारतों में चैन की नींद की गारंटी.
JK लक्ष्मी सीमेंट. मजबूती गारंटीड.
ओए शायद नया लुक मेरा है और सारा टेंशन तुझे क्यों मिलता?
चल चैलेंज इसे यूज कर. सिर्फ 2 हफ्ते.
नया वैसलीन मेन फेयरनेस क्रीम दाग धब्बे घटाए, चेहरा बनाए फेयर सिर्फ 2 हफ्तों में.
क्यों शायद? चैलेंज भारी पड़ गया ना?
ओए ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे.
नया वैसलीन मेन फेयरनेस क्रीम.
नाम है विक्की अरोरा. फेसबुक पे स्टेटस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है.
शक्ल देखकर बंदे का स्पर्म पहचान जाता हूँ. ऐसे DNA आर्यन रेस के देखे गए हैं. तू प्योर आर्यन रेस है, आर्य पुत्र है.
ये लीजिए सर.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, इस प्लान से मेरे पैसे डबल हो जाने के चांस है या नहीं?
अब डबल पैसे.
सोच मत. दिख गया तो तू कहाँ, ये कहाँ? बोल यस सर.
नहीं सर, इंश्योरेंस एक लॉन्ग टर्म सेविंग है. रातों रात पैसे डबल नहीं होंगे, लेकिन रिटर्न जरूर अच्छे मिलेंगे और लाइफ कवर भी.
और ये टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, इसे पढ़ना जरूर
नहीं. पढ़ने मत दे, साइन करवा.
हाँ सर, आप एक बार पढ़ लीजिए, मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है.
कहाँ साइन करना?
यहाँ पे सर.
हमारे एजेंट्स ने हमेशा आपके बारे में सोचा है, इसीलिए वो हैं आपके सच्चे एडवाइजर्स. फर्क देखने के लिए आज ही मैक्स न्यूयॉर्क लाइफ के एडवाइजर्स को कांटेक्ट करें.
असली पदार्थों का मिश्रण हाइजीनिक पद्धति से बना गृहस्थी मसाला. इसके स्वाद और क्वालिटी का कोई जवाब नहीं. गृहस्थी मसाला लाइए, मिलावट से छुटकारा पाइए.
What is Core? The Vento with an entertainment system that streams the IPL live. Polo and Vento IPL Edition 2. Volkswagen. Das Auto.
Euro Group of Companies पेश करते हैं Eurobike.
My first choice.
Winner of NDTV Gadget of the Year, Viewers' Choice Award, Jury's Choice Award, and Best Technology Innovation of the Year, Samsung Galaxy Note.
कितनी रफ्तार से आप अपनी लाइफ को दौड़ा रहे हो? आपकी लाइफस्टाइल क्या आपकी फिटनेस पर असर कर रही है? Not a healthy sign.
That's why you need Ensure every day. इसके 32 vital nutrients दें आपको दिन भर की शक्ति और बढ़ाएं इम्यूनिटी, ताकि आप रहें एकदम फिट और एक्टिव.
Ensure life non-stop.
All right. Congratulations once again. I am now once more going to make way for the fabulous Ash Chandler. Different act for you people. So please, a big hand, Ash Chandler.
One or two of you. Okay, very good, very good. All right. All right, so once again, the whole mother-in-law thing, so keep that in mind when I do this for you. All right, hit it, maestro. All right, give me a beat. Come on.
When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now.
And I'm done. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You have a good evening.
Ash Chandler, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. I mean, singer, stand-up, actor, restaurateur, comedian. What is he, a guy or a Swiss Army knife? You're going to have to make do with me, yeah. Right. It is now time for the Business Standard the Business Standard Motoring SUV of the year 2012. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we really love big, heavy metal in this country. And the nominees in this category really provide